All right. So today we will be entering the, let me see, fourth last. Okay, fourth last chapter of Form 4 Admat Study. Okay, yang keempat terakhir, coordinate geometry. Okay, so actually coordinate geometry and vector is very related. Okay, bab ni dengan bab vector selepas ni dia sangat berkait. Kamu semua perasan tak? Okay, it's actually very related, these two chapter. Okay, in term of the ratio. Do you guys notice that? Your coordinate geometry and vector topic, right? The ratio is the most important concept. Konsep nisbah. Kedua-dua bab ni sangat penting. So how to master your vector ratio concept is basically based on this chapter. Kamu kena master coordinate geometry dulu. Baru boleh master vector. Okay, because they are related one. So let's say your vector not so good. Vector tak bagus. So maybe most likely is because your coordinate geometry also not good. Okay, bab ni kamu tak bagus. That's why bab vector pun tak bagus. Okay, admaths, usually the topic is related. Dia berkait. Okay, so you must know all the topic lah. Okay, so the quote for today. The best view is only found after the hardest climb. Ini adalah perumpamaan untuk hari ini. Okay, so kalau kamu nak pemandangan yang indah, kamu kena mendakilah dengan susah. So guys, the best view, in your opinion, now you study for SPM, right? What is the best view for you guys? May I know? Tell me, what is the best view in your opinion? Apa pemandangan indah pada mata kamu? Sebab sekarang kamu duduk SPM kan? Now you are sitting for NMATS. Wait guys. Just now it came out. Correct. Lucky. Yes. Okay, the best view is straight A's. Am I right? Kamu kena dapat straight A's. So that is your motivation. Okay, so we start first lah. Kita mula dulu. Okay, so wow, this one straight A plus, even higher target. Not bad. Okay, so guys, in coordinate geometry, you guys got learn a few things. Okay, these are the few things that you guys learn. Okay, for those take English, I will help you also. Don't worry. Wait, guys. Just give me some time. Okay, so for coordinate geometry, basically you guys learn the first thing is called as divisor of line segment. Okay, pembahagi tembereng garis. Okay, second thing you guys learn parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Okay, selari dan serenjang. Okay, and then the third thing that you guys learn is area of polygon, lost polygon. The fourth thing you guys learn is locus. Okay, so basically you guys cover all this lah in this chapter. Kamu buat semua dalam bab ni. Alright. Okay, so we will go step by step, one by one. Okay, so the first thing we guys talk about is the divisor of line segment. Okay, pembahagi garis. Okay, so this one actually got two formulas. Ada dua rumus. So guys, this formula is what we call as midpoint. Okay, this is the titik tengah formula. Guys, in modern maths, you all got see this, right? Modern maths pun kamu belajar yang ni. So in admaths, also the same formula you can use. So guys, may I know, if they say midpoint, what is the ratio guys? Apa nisbah dia? Kalau dia adalah titik tengah, what is the ratio between the two lines? Apa nisbah antara dua-dua garis? Very good. Okay, yes, that's the answer. Remember guys, if it's midpoint, the ratio is always 1 to 1. Selalunya 1 kepada 1. Alright, remember this. Okay, so now, so you see an example lah. Okay, so guys, they ask you to find the midpoint of these two lines. So can anyone tell me what's the answer? Final answer directly. Kamu bagi jawapan akhir saja. Apa titik tengah antara dua garis ni? So just to see whether you can apply this formula or not. Kamu kena aplikasikan rumus ni. So anyone? Very good. Okay, the answer is 3, 5. Okay, so how to get 3, 5? You follow the formula. Okay, x1 plus x2 over 2, and then y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, so that's why your answer is 3, 5. Okay guys, boleh faham? Remember, this formula is only used for 1 to 1 ratio. Hanya 1 kepada 1 boleh. Okay, so guys, let's say I give you, if the ratio is 2 to 2, kalau nisbah dia 2 kepada 2, can I use this formula? Boleh tak saya guna rumus ni? Yes or no? You all think and see. Sama-sama. Boleh ke tak? Saya guna rumus ni. Kalau nisbah dia 2 kepada 2. If the ratio is 2 to 2. Can I use the midpoint formula? Okay, some more? I need more people. Yes. Okay, the answer is can, guys. Jawapan dia boleh. Okay, why? Because 2 to 2, I can simplify. Saya boleh pemudahkan jadi 1 kepada 1. As long the same number. Asalkan nombor sama kiri dan kanan, means can. Boleh. Alright? Only if it's different number. Example, let's say the number is 3 to 4. This ratio, guys, can we use this formula? Yes or no? Kalau nisbah dia 3 kepada 4. 3 to 4 ratio. Yes. Definitely cannot lah. Tak boleh. Okay? So guys, if the ratio is like this, kalau nisbah dia macam ni, what is the formula you guys use? May I know? Kamu semua guna rumus apa? Think and see. What is the formula? If the ratio is 3 to 4. 3 kepada 4. Anyone? You type short also enough. That one lah. Correct. Okay, kamu akan guna rumus yang ni. Nx1 plus mx2 over m plus n, and then ny1 plus my2 over m plus n. Okay guys, do you get me? Boleh faham? Yes. This is called as let me think and see. Okay, it's divisor of line segment also lah. Okay, dia adalah pembahagi garis lurus ataupun segmen garisan lah. Okay, divisor of line segment formula. Alright? Okay. So until now, are you all clear? Any question you have to ask? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya setakat ni? Anyone? Don't have, If don't have, we continue. Okay? Alright. So this was the formula I was talking about. The second method, kaedah kedua. Okay guys, a lot of people here confused on this formula is because of what? The M and N. Banyak orang confused about yang ni dan dapat jawapan salah. You get the wrong answer because you don't know which is the M, which is the N. Okay guys, I ask you simple question. Let's say I got ratio AB to BC 3 to 4. I want to see whether you all understand or not. Sebelum saya terangkan, saya nak tahu kamu faham ke tak. Okay, so guys, may I know, based on this ratio, what is my M value? Apa nilai M? Tell me. AB to BC 3 to 4. Apa nilai M? Can you all comment? What is the M value you get? Come on. Tell me. Anyone? Okay, some more? I want some more answer. What is my M value? Apa nilai M saya berdasarkan nisbah ni based on the ratio? Okay, some more. Important question guys. So that's why I ask a lot of people to answer. Soalan ni sangat penting. That's why saya tanya ramai orang jawab. Okay, some more people. Only 3 people so far. Don't worry. Wrong answer, don't worry. Jangan risau kalau salah. So what do you all think? Okay, some more? Lagi orang? So few answer. Come on. I need more response. What do you think is your M value in this question? Apa nilai M? This one. AB to BC is 3 to 4. Okay, enough already. Cukup. Okay, so guys, surprisingly, right? Don't be shocked, let me see. Only one person correct over here. Satu orang saja betul. Samantha. Congratulations. The answer is both also can. Kedua-dua boleh. Guys, no one told you in AdMaths that the first value is M and the second value is N. Okay, now you all be saying, I thought the concept is like this. Am I right? You're totally wrong. Salah. Okay, nilai M dan N dia tak spesifik. Okay, it can be for anyone. You can choose any value to be your M and N. Means this one can be M or N. This one also can be M or N. Faham ke tak guys? Do you all understand? It can be both. Dua-dua. It depends what is your X2 and X1 value that you substitute. Bergantung kepada coordinate X2. Don't have the misconception that first value M, second value N. Banyak orang salah konsep ni. Okay? So make sure don't make the mistake. Alright. So now, let's say I give you an example. Okay lah, we use this example. Simple. Okay, so they tell you. Okay, so if you want to easy, you guys just draw a straight line. Okay, something like this. So P, R, Q. Can you see? So then you just label negative 3, 1, negative 7, 7, negative 4. Okay, and then R, guys, may I know, R coordinate, what is the value we put? Can anyone tell? Apa coordinate R dalam soalan ni? Think and see. What is your R coordinate? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is XY, guys. Okay, because we don't know the coordinate, kita tak tahu. So we want to find out. Kita nak cari nilai ni. Alright. So now, guys, let's say I tell you, soalan bagi tahu, this value is 3, this value is 4. Sorry. I must follow the question. Okay, because this one, the question already say. Okay, so follow 2 ratio 3. Okay, 2 nisbah 3. Alright, so now guys, you apply the formula. So xy equal to n. Okay, so n can be any value. 2 ataupun 3. 2 or 3 also can. So let's say I choose 3, guys. Saya pilih 3. So guys, important what is the x1 value over here? Tell me guys, apa nilai x1? Everyone. This one is the most important part. Bahagian yang paling penting. Negative 3 or 7? Which one is my x1? Yes, very good. Means you all understand lah. Okay, betul. So the answer is negative 3. Remember guys, this formula you must always cross the ratio. Kamu kena silang nisbah. The keyword in this formula is cross. Okay, kamu kena silang. Okay, then continue. So plus m. Okay, what is the number I put here guys? May I know? Apa nombor dia after the 2? Anyone? Think and see. What is the number I put? Yes. Okay, nx1 plus mx2. Am I right? So mx2. So x2 is this one. This is x1. Okay. Then divide the total ratio. Jumlah nisbah. Okay. Now, if you use n equal to 3 and m equal to 2 means that right hand side also must maintain lah. Okay, you cannot change. Jangan tukar nilai m dan n guys. You cannot change the value simply. If you maintain on the left hand side like that, the y coordinate also same. Okay, coordinate y pun kena ikut nilai m dan n. Alright. Okay, so now you all tell me what is the value I should put here for y1? Is it 1 or negative 4? 1 atau negative 4? Beside the 3. You all think and see. Yes, very good. Bagus. Okay, the answer is 1. Okay, because x1, confirm the next one is y1 lah. x1, y1. x2, y2. So that's why the answer is 1. And then plus 2, and then negative 4. Okay, then over m plus n. Okay, so you already get the formula. Kamu dah dapat. Okay, so now you just press calculator. You can get the answer already. Okay, do you all understand guys how to use the formula now? Are you clear? Cara nak guna rumus ni. Next time don't confuse. Don't what to say? Try to think that m value is only 2, n value is only 3. Don't. You can always switch the position. Kamu boleh tukar. Okay, it's very free one. Your m and n value. It depends on you. Alright. Okay. So now that's the first part. Itu bahagian pertama. Okay. So second part. Second part is about your parallel and perpendicular line. Okay, garis selari dan serenjang. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, so we do the question lah. So guys, they ask you to form the straight line for these 2 points. Kamu kena bentukkan persamaan garis lurus. So guys, what is my first step? May I know? Langkah pertama, how to form the equation of straight line. Very good. Okay, kamu kena cari kecerunan dulu lah. Okay, find your gradient. So 10 minus 4 over 7 minus 3. So the answer is 6 over 4. So 3 over 2. Alright. Okay. So now you have 2 methods now guys. Kamu ada 2 pilihan. First option, y equal to mx plus c. Second option, y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. So guys, may I know majority of you guys use which method? Kamu semua guna kaedah mana? Majority. 1 or 2? May I know? To solve this kind of question. Untuk selesaikan. Okay, so majority 1 lah. Okay, so I see majority is 1. Okay, so I just explain using method 1 lah. Simple. Saya guna kaedah pertama. Okay, so since you guys like y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so now you can choose any point that you like. Pilih apa-apa titik. So 4 equal to 3 over 2 times 3 plus c. So c value you will get, just press calculator, 4 minus 9 over 2. So answer is negative half. So now you can already get the answer. Kamu dah ada jawapan. Okay guys, do you understand? This is the basic lah guys. Ini paling asas dalam maths. This one you must know. Kena tahu. Usually the question they won't ask this simple in maths. Okay, seorang takkan tanya macam ni. But this is the basic. Okay, now we see the maths type of question. Okay, so now they say it passed through this point and is parallel to this line. So guys, parallel, what is the information that you get? Kalau dia cakap selari, apa informasi yang kamu dapat? Very good. Okay, always remember, parallel means same gradient. Kecerunan sama, yes. Okay, so guys, may I know what is the gradient of this line? Apa kecerunan garis ni? Yes, very good. Okay, a lot of people will tell me negative 3. Okay, banyak orang akan cakap M sama dengan negative 3. If you tell me this answer, right, means that your basic in maths not so strong yet lah. Okay, kamu tak kukuh lagi. Okay, always remember, if you want to find gradient, your equation must be in y equal to mx plus c. Kena dalam bentuk yang ni. Remember, okay, always in this format. Alright, that's why your answer is y equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so now you can start to form your equation. Boleh bentuk persamaan. So guys, I will show you the second method. Saya tunjuk kaedah kedua just in case for those that like the second method. So second method is something like this. Okay, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So you will get negative 3 over 2x, and then press calculator, you will get plus 19 over 2. Okay guys, do you understand? Boleh faham how to get this answer over here? Are you clear? Any problems with this one? Should be okay, right? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Okay, so now that is parallel. Now perpendicular, serenjang. So guys, tell me, what is the keyword you guys get when they talk about serenjang, perpendicular? What's the keyword? Kata kunci. Yes, very good. Okay, M1, M2 equal to negative 1. Betul. Okay, remember this equation. Okay, so now, what is the gradient of this line? Everyone here. Apa kecerunan garis ni? Anyone? What's the gradient of that line? Apa kecerunan? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 2 over 3. 2/3. Okay, so means that M1, 2 over 3. So M2, may I know what is M2 guys? Apa nilai dia for M2? So you guys just need to solve the equation lah. So the answer you will get negative 3 over 2. Correct. Very good. Okay, so now again, you choose which method you like. You want to use the first method or second method to form the equation, no problem. Okay, kamu pilih sahaja. Okay, so let's say I want to use the second method. Okay, I like second method a lot. Okay, because at maths, usually you will use that method one. Okay, this formula. Okay, so then just press calculator. So you will get negative 3 over 2 plus 4. So it's plus 5 over 2. Okay guys, some people will ask me, how if I want to write my final answer like this? Kalau saya nak tulis jawapan macam ni, boleh ke tak guys? Kamu bagi tahu saya. Let's say I want to write my final answer like this. Can or not? What do you all think? Let's say I don't want this one. Saya tak mau stop kat sini. Saya nak yang terakhir. I want the final one. Can or cannot? What do you all think? Okay, one person say can, one person say cannot. Sama? Lagi orang. Jawapan ni boleh ke tak? This one. Okay. Wah. The answer is can. Okay, jawapan dia boleh guys. There is no one tell you that your final answer must be like this. Tak ada siapa-siapa bagi tahu yang ni saja jawapan dia. This one also can. This one also can. Dua-dua pun boleh. Alright? Don't worry. Unless the question specify. Kalau soalan kadang-kadang bagi tahu, bagi jawapan dalam bentuk AX plus BY equal to C. Have you seen guys? Sometimes the question will tell you like this, right? You must give your answer in this format. Then only you follow the question. Ikut soalan. If the question never say anything, just say find the equation of the straight line, cari persamaan garis lurus, then kamu boleh bagi mana-mana kamu suka lah. Just give your favorite one. Kalau bentuk mesti y equal to mx plus c. Yes. Guys, remember, general form for straight line is always y equal to mx plus c. Okay, general form. This is what we call as general form. Bentuk y equal to mx plus c. Okay, understand? Alright. But usually at maths question, they won't tell this. Mereka takkan bagi tahu yang ni. Usually. Okay, usually you don't see it. Alright. Okay. So are you clear guys? Until now? Okay. Boleh dapat sampai sekarang? So we finished 2 parts already. Dah habis 2 bahagian. Okay, so now we come to the third part. So third part is basically talking on your polygons. So guys, I ask you a general question lah. What is the meaning of polygon, guys? Can you all tell me? Describe to me what you understand about polygon. Cuba huraikan. Apa yang kamu faham tentang polygon? Kai, I think if I ask the person who never study for SPM also can tell that lah. Shape is so general your answer. Jadi jangan bagi jawapan sangat macam bentuk. Of course like yalah bentuk. Shape with angle, yes. Okay, that's better, correct. 3 coordinate. Okay, can? Boleh? Okay, so basically, right, guys, polygon means many sides. Banyak sisi. That's what we call as polygon. Poly means many. Okay, you must understand. Gon means sides. This is the meaning of polygon. Banyak sisi. Okay, so is triangle a polygon? May I know? Adakah segitiga adalah polygon? This one is basic. Is triangle a polygon? Yes, correct. Okay, and then what else? Is hexagon. Is hexagon a polygon? Yes or no? Hexagon. Yes. Okay, so you understand lah. Okay, so the main thing that you guys need to know here is the formula. That's all. Okay, so we need to use this formula to find the area. Okay, so may I know guys, why is there modular symbol in the formula for area of polygon? Kenapa kena ada simbol modulus? Very good. Okay, area is always positive. Okay, because it is a scalar quantity. Quantity scalar. Quantity scalar mean what, guys? It depends on magnitude only. If you guys take physics, you guys understand lah what I mean. Okay, scalar quantity. Only look at magnitude. All right. So that's the function of the modulus. Because sometimes the answer inside here can be negative. Kadang-kadang jawapan tu boleh negatif. That's why we modulus it so that you get a positive value. Okay, kita nak jawapan positif. All right. Okay. What else? Okay. So what is the method we use here, guys, to find the area? There is one method the textbook will tell you. Ada satu nama kaedah kita guna untuk cari yang ni. Anyone know what is the method name? Think and see. What is the method name? There is one method. Start with letter S. Mula dengan huruf I untuk BM. Tali kasut, right? Correct. Yes. Okay, shoelace method in English. Why they say shoelace method? Because, guys, now you all go to school, right? Am I right? Baru pagi tadi kamu pergi buat ujian lisan. Am I right? You tie your shoelace when you go to school. So, guys, how you tie your shoelace? May I know? Macam mana ikat tali kasut? You just use the admats lah to understand. Okay, you go like this and then you go like this. Am I right? It's like a ribbon. Correct? Yes, zigzag. Okay, so this is how you memorize the formula. Okay, so basically, everything is times. Okay, semua darab. So you will get half outside. Okay, so you can leave. Alamak, pakai kasut pun guna AdMath. Of course, guys. AdMath is everywhere in the world. You cannot escape from it. AdMath ada kat semua tempat. You see everywhere also got AdMath lah, guys. Don't tell me certain part don't have AdMath. Everything got AdMath one. Down first, then up right. Yes, correct. Remember, you must go down first. Kena pergi bawah dulu. Lepas tu bawa atas. Okay, don't silap arah. If you change direction, gone already. Okay, just be careful on that. Okay, and then plus x2, y3 plus what else? x3, y1. Okay, now guys, may I know, when I change direction, what should I add here? What symbol? Bila saya tukar arah. Wow, someone here very horny, huh? Interesting. Okay, surely this one's scammer, I know already. Okay, simple. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, negative, betul. Okay, so you will get negative, minus. Marcus, don't say bad word lah. Okay, maybe she kena hack. How you know? Okay, so now, second, you have to go from bottom to top. Kamu kena pergi dari bawah ke atas. Okay, so you will get x2, y1, x3, y2, and x1, y3. Language, bro. Yes, language. Yes. Sorry, x2, y1. See, you guys make me distracted already. Write the wrong thing. y1. And then, what else? It's okay lah. x3, y2, x1, y3. x3, y2, x1, y3. Okay, guys. Do you understand how I get like this? Boleh faham, guys? Macam mana dapat? Are you all clear how to get it? So this is your formula. So next time, when they just give coordinate, you guys just sub only lah. Gantikan saja. Okay, the most important thing in this formula, guys, is this one. You must start and end with the same coordinate. Kamu kena mula dan akhir dengan coordinate sama. So guys, I ask you a question now. Let's say I change, saya tukar, become like this. So guys, may I know, is this formula correct? Yes or no? Rumus ni. Betul ke tak? Some more people, you must really understand, guys. This is to test whether you totally understand the formula. Kamu kena betul-betul faham. So is this correct or not? Yes or no? More? I need more people. Come on. Don't be afraid to try. If you're wrong, I can help you. More. Kai, you never answer, so you're telling more. Very smart, are you? Oh, you did already. Okay. Yes. Okay, this formula is correct. Betul. Cannot scroll back. I lazy already. Okay, yes. Boleh. Okay, guys. So no matter how you arrange the coordinate is okay one. Tak kira macam mana kamu susun. As long you start and end with the same coordinate. Kena mula dan akhir dengan coordinate sama. So guys, why must we start and end with the same coordinate? Can anyone tell me the reason? Why? Kenapa kena mula dan akhir dengan coordinate sama? Cuba bagi sebab. Wow. So Kai, I ask you a simple question. If I ask you jump down the hill, will you jump down the hill? Then why no? I ask you to jump down the hill. Why you never follow? Tell me. Why never follow? I ask you jump down the hill. Because we can't divide the formula. I listen, I know do. Very smart lah you. That's why I say, listening skills you guys always 0, 1. Teknik mendengar. Ujian mendengar tengah datang, right? Your listening skills, Kai, I very afraid lah for you. But never mind, you still form 4, so still got chance. How is it possible that some question has more than 4 or 5 coordinate? Of course, guys, you must understand. We are talking about polygon. Polygon has many sides, so you can even have 9 sides. So if 9 sides, guys, may I know how many coordinates in the modulus formula? Tell me. Berapa coordinate dalam modulus saya kalau 9 cc? Very good. The answer is 10. Okay, because you will repeat one of the coordinate. Kamu akan mula dan akhir dengan coordinate sama. So it become 2 already. Okay? So it can be a lot. But SPM usually they won't ask like this lah. SPM takkan tanya sampai macam ni. Don't worry. Yes. Okay, just now Othman said because it must end from point to point. Yes. Just now question, that's the answer, guys. Okay, why? Because if you look logic, okay, let's say this is the triangle ABC. So guys, when I count the area using that formula, I start with this, then I go to this, then I go to this. So guys, if I just put 3 coordinate, kalau saya letak 3 saja, do I actually have an area? Adakah saya ada luas? Yes or no? You see the line I draw. Is there any area? Don't have, right? Means that area can only be formed when you have a closed shape. Kena ada bentuk yang tertutup. That is one of the characteristic of a polygon. It must be closed. Kena tertutup. That's why I need to go back over here. And also include 2 times coordinate A. But the rest is just 1 time. Okay? Do you get it? So sorry to interrupt. 10. Pukul 10. Alright? Okay, so now this one. Okay, so for quadrilateral, same thing lah. I think you guys know already lah. I know it to tell already. Just use the same method again. Okay, just shoelace method. Kaedah ikat kasut. Then you guys get the answer. Okay? Any problem, guys, so far on your luas polygon? So we completed the 3rd part already. Dah habis. So now we are coming to the last part, the 4th part already. Okay, so for the 4th part, I will direct go to this one. This one all we discussed already. Okay, so the last part is a lot of people don't like. Banyak orang tak suka, guys. This last part. Guys, locus. Who don't like? Who don't like this question? Locus. Siapa tak suka? A lot of people don't like, right? I know. A lot of people don't like this. Guys, it's actually very easy one. Sangat senang. The question is very easy. Okay, the only thing that you guys need to remember here is your distance formula. So can anyone type out what is your distance formula that you remember? Rumus jarak. Someone type out. I know it's a bit complex, but if you can type out like how it looks like, then I understand Adila. So you just tell me, how does your locus formula look like? So all the keyboard warriors over here, you can type fast, means good for you lah. Square root x square y square. Okay, I understand. Okay, so basically your formula is like this. Am I right? This is your locus formula. Persamaan locus. Actually, to be more accurate, is your distance formula. Okay, rumus jarak, not locus formula. Okay, so just remember this formula when you solve locus. All right. Okay, so guys, may I know locus is what actually? What shape? Bentuk apa? Tell me. Locus. Can anyone tell me? Yes. A lot of people actually think locus is something new, but actually locus is just a circle, guys, which has a center. Okay, locus ni sebenarnya bulatan saja. Lotus Oh, this one maybe is the one that like to go shopping, is it? Marcus, you like to go shopping, is it? That's why you hear lotus. Wow, I didn't expect that boys like to shop. Usually all the girls only like to shop. Go shopping here, shopping there. The lucky usually not like that. Oh, okay, I understand. But okay, I don't want to continue later. I get distracted already. That one save for end of the lesson. I go for popular. Oh, okay, understand. Okay, so now, where was I? Okay, so we see an example lah. Okay, so guys, this is how usually the question asked in exam. Okay, they will tell you that the distance of point V from T is 2 units. Okay, jarak titik V dari T itu 2 unit. So guys, this point V, we have a name for it. Can anyone tell me what is the name we give for point V? Apa nama kita bagi for titik V? No, not locus. Locus is the whole thing, the whole circle. Just that point I'm talking. Titik itu saja. Ada satu nama. There is one name the question always will tell. No, not circumference. Very good, one Saf. The answer is moving point. Have you all seen this, guys, in the question? Titik bergerak. The question will always tell you this one in AdMaths. So guys, when you have moving point, what is the coordinate? Usually you will put in AdMaths, titik bergerak. Tell me, What is the coordinate for a moving point? Very good. Okay, why we give xy? Can anyone tell me the reason? Kenapa titik bergerak tu coordinate dia xy? And if Kai say, because sir say, you're going out of the meeting, huh? You don't say again, I say. I know you're going to say it a day. So why? Why got xy? Why is the answer for moving point xy? Because we don't know the real point. Not so accurate. Can anyone tell a better reason? But your point almost there, Adi. I can see. But a bit more accurate. So why is the moving point given a coordinate of xy? Yes, the answer is because it is always moving. That's all, guys. So guys, you imagine if the point keep on moving, does it have a fixed coordinate? Yes or no? Adakah koordinat dia tetap? Kalau dia selalu berubah, kalau dia bergerak dalam bulatan, very good. It doesn't have a constant coordinate. Correct. That's the point, guys. That's why we give it xy. It's general. Okay, it's a general coordinate arm. So then you guys just need to solve the equation. All right. So over here, basically you just square both sides. Okay, kuasa dua-dua belah persamaan. Okay, and then usually we will always want our right hand side equal 0. Kita nak bahagian kanan tu kosong. Alright, so try to make your answer equal 0. So that, why? Because SPM tell you like that. I tell you that's the answer. Guys, actually, right, if you leave your answer like this also no problem. But just SPM mark scheme, they usually give the answer like this. This another person come already because sir said like that. You guys wait, it's not I say, it's SPM say, not me say. I just following the mark scheme only, guys. Don't say like that one. Okay, so just follow the mark scheme. Okay, there is another point. Why is it like that? If anyone know, this is actually the general form for locus equation. Do you all know that, guys? Ini adalah bentuk arm persamaan locus. Look complex, right? But actually not so complex. Okay, it's actually the same as your answer. So that's why they always want the right hand side equal to 0. So that you follow the general form. Dia ikut bentuk arm. Okay, are you clear, guys, on the locus? So this is another example of a locus question. Okay, they say distance point P from A is the same. Same means equal lah. Okay, and then same with distance from point B. So you can see over here lah how they solve. Same concept. Okay, concept sama saja. Okay, so your equation will get something like this. All right, perpendicular bisector locus. What do you mean perpendicular bisector locus? I don't really understand. Never mind. We will see the question, guys. Don't worry. We will see some question, then you maybe understand better. All right? Because I don't really get your question. All right? Okay, so now we come to discuss some question, guys. Kita bincang soalan. Okay, this one is all from the trials. So we try to do as many as possible lah. All right? Okay, so now this first question. Let me see. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find the distance of BC. Okay, so can anyone tell me? Okay, very simple lah. You want to find distance BC. So how to find, guys? May I know? Macam mana cari yang ni? What is the formula that we need to use? Come on. Apa rumus dia? You tell me the name of the formula enough already. Kamu bagi tahu saya nama rumus saja. So anyone? Yes, very good. You guys use the distance formula. Okay, guna rumus jarak. Just now I told you guys. Okay, so you have two coordinates. So you guys just apply the formula. Okay, so you can just choose lah which one you want. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. If other way around also can. Dua-dua cara pun boleh. Okay, you guys just choose. All right, then you apply the formula and then press calculator, you will get this answer. Okay, ini jawapan dia. All right. Okay, this one very simple. Okay, next one. Okay, this question is show, tunjukkan. So they want you to show the equation of the locus of point P. Okay, so guys, can you see this? Look at point P, guys. Point P has a general coordinate. Oh, sorry. The answer is square root 50 unit. All right. Okay. Guys, just want to ask lah. You guys like me to discuss the question general like this or call name? People answer the question. What do you all think? Public or private? I know first straight away people will say don't like a day. I follow majority, guys. Majority win. So you guys comment what you want. Private or public? Simple. Because I feel like if call private then more fun lah. Okay, public lah. Okay, general. Majority say general. Okay, if general means all of you must respond. Don't silent over there. Okay, so now how to show the equation of the locus. Okay lah, I respect your opinion. Don't worry. Okay, so now P is the moving point. Am I right? So P adalah titik bergerak. So now, what is the equation you can form here, guys? Try to think and see. Okay, so just now, this one you got square root 50. Am I right? So what is the equation you think you can form with this point over here? Interesting question. So anyone, first step, basically I ask you this. Square root 50, what does this represent? Can anyone tell me? Punca kuasa 250 ni mewakili apa? Very good. Okay, represent the radius. Yes. Okay, BC equal to BP. Correct. Hey, wait, let me check. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is BC equal to BP. That is your equation, guys. So you need to focus on this. All right. Okay, so how do we get this equation? Okay, basically, since they say, let me see, circle, okay, with center B. Can you see this, guys? Circle with center B. So this is the concept. Okay, P ialah sebuah bulatan berpusat di B. Punca kuasa 2x minus 2 kuasa 2. Wow, you were so poor. Yes, correct. The answer, the working is like what Jiachi wrote. All right. So guys, follow what Jiachi wrote. It's like that. Okay. So basically, these two lengths, they are the same. Okay, because it's the radius, jejari. All right. So you will spin like that to form the circle. So this is how you get the formula. Okay. So when you solve BC, square root 50, you have the answer. And then BP, you basically apply the distance formula, rumus jarak. So you just expand this, okay, do the normal step, then you will get this answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. The distance is the same for every coordinate in the locus. Yes, correct. Okay, because it's the radius. All right. So now, your answer will look something like this. Okay, guys, are you clear? So basically, right, you see the pattern of ADMATS. They don't really care what is the step you show in the middle here. Do you see? Mereka tak sebenarnya kisah kamu tulis apa kat tengah-tengah pun. They care about your formula, what the formula you use, and your final answer. If it's 2 marks lah, kalau soalan 2 markah. Okay? So make sure you always use the formula. The rest, do you start to like chapter 7 after hearing me teach? Hopefully you like lah. So how about the questions like where we need to use 2 gradient to find the equation? Oh, that one is, I think I get your question already. Yes, that one is your M1 times M2 is -1. Am I right? Then you will get the locus equation at the bottom. That one data question also got. But I think over here, I don't have. Okay, because this one is only from 2024 trial. Okay, but you can search from the previous years also will have. Kalau punca kuasa 50 tu saya tulis dalam 7.07. Oh, wait, let me check and see. Better to give your answer in third form. Okay, lebih bagus tulis yang ni. Okay, because it's more accurate, lebih tepat. Okay, 7.0711, you compare with square root 50, this one is more accurate. Yang ni lebih tepat. So give the more accurate one. Okay, all right. So now, question C1. Okay, guys, coordinate geometry, right? They can always mix. Yes, correct. So you can always mix another chapter in your ADMATS. Do you all know what chapter? You can always mix with Form 5 chapter 1, guys. So take note. Coordinate geometry, dia boleh gabung soalan dari circular measure. Okay, sukatan membulat. So make sure you guys also remember that chapter. Okay, so guys, What is the formula to find area of sector? Suddenly you guys get scared already. How come got circular measure question suddenly? Actually it's related. Dia ada kaitan. So anyone? What's the formula for area of major sector? Tell me if you remember. This one must remember lah. So anyone? Area of major sector. Luas sector major. Yes, very good. Half R square theta. So guys, this theta, degrees or radian? May I know? Darjah atau radian? Yes. Always remember, circular measure, the main unit is radian. Always. Okay? So now, they're asking about the major sector, BAPC. Means the large one, yang besar. So guys, if you focus over here, BAPC, so you will have this one, and then this one, and then C is this one. Okay, so basically, wait, let me see. All right, so it's this one. Okay, so basically your major sector is going to be the other one lah. Okay, the bigger one outside there, this one. So this is your major sector. Okay, guys, are you clear on that? How to get? Okay, so now you must look at your angle. Okay, so what is the angle, guys, over here? Can anyone tell me? Apa sudut yang saya akan guna over here? Think and see. Cuba fikir. So anyone? What is your theta over here? Actually, this one, the sector, it go until here also. Okay, all this over here. Okay. So anyone? What is your angle? Very easy. Sangat mudah. Major sector, you know, guys. Guys, major. So if your sector is major, mean that your angle must also be major. Yes, the correct answer is 270. Okay, because this is 90 degrees, 90 darjah. Okay, if you guys don't really know, you can try to find gradient and see. Okay, so you actually will get 90 degrees, 90 darjah. All right, so it means that this one, the remainder is actually 270 degrees, 270 darjah. So that's why my angle, the radius is still square root 50, like just now answer. And then the angle, make sure convert to radian. Okay, tukar darjah ke radian. So this is how you should do the question. Understand, guys? Boleh dapat? Clear, right? So for question C, you will get this answer. Okay, so this one is 3 marks, 3 markah. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so for question C2, another showing question. They ask you to show the area of your shaded region is 25 pi plus 1. Okay, guys, who of you over here genuinely scared when the question asks you to show? No matter what chapter lah, tak kira apa-apa bab. When the question asks you to show, who feels scared? Okay, God lah, don't worry. Okay, so question actually, no need to worry so much. You guys just need to, what to say, master the concept. Just try to see what is the concept soalan nak tanya. Then you will get the answer. Okay, don't think it's always a very long working process. Kadang-kadang jalan kerja sangat singkat. It's very short one, but the idea only is hard. Okay, so you need to think of the idea carefully. Okay, so now they're asking about shaded region. So basically, the concept you can use over here is total minus unshaded. Am I right? Kamu guna jumlah tolak yang tak terlorek. Okay, so guys, this is a semicircle. Am I right? This is semicircle. So guys, what is the formula for area of a semicircle? Can anyone tell me? Apa rumus dia untuk luas semi bulatan? Anyone know? Think and see. What is the formula for area of semicircle? Anyone? Apa rumus dia? Yes. Okay, half pi r square. Correct? Yeah. This is the formula for area of semicircle. Okay, so guys, what is your radius? Apa jari? Your radius is CD. Am I right? That's your radius. So you can actually find the distance using the distance formula. Okay, guna rumus jarak. So you just apply the formula. So you will actually get an answer of 5. 5. So means that you already found your area. So this is your area. Understand? So you already found the area of unshaded region. Luas kawasan tidak berlorek. So now you need to find the total area. So guys, what is the total area over here? Anyone know? Apa jumlah luas kamu? Think and see. What is your total area? Anyone know? Anyone? Siapa tahu? Jumlah luas. Think and see. What is the total area in this question? Okay, so there is a hint over here. So basically, you can actually extend the circle, something like this. Okay, try to complete the circle over here. Then you will see something. So anyone? Hello? Think and see. 39 point. Sorry, you must actually prove this formula. You cannot give your own answer, guys. You must show this formula. Kamu kena tunjukkan yang ni. Okay, so let me count and see. Do you get the answer or not? No. Okay, it's different, guys. So they want you to find the shaded region. So how, guys? Think and see. Area of circle. Okay, can? No problem. Okay, so basically, let me think and see. Okay, so BC, you guys get pi, right? Okay, pi r square is the area of the circle. And BC is also the radius. Am I right? Ini adalah jejari bulatan. So guys, your radius just now you got is 50. Am I right? So basically, you will get 50 pi for your semicircle area. Okay, luas semi bulatan. All right. Okay, but sorry, not semicircle. Circle area means the whole circle totally. Okay, so for this one, the only problem with this formula is how you're going to find this one over here. Macam mana cari yang ni? It's difficult, right? Cannot, right? So you need to think of a different concept. Okay, so if you refer your answer in C1, you already found the major sector. Am I right? BAPC. So guys, major sector BAPC. BAPC. So major sector is this one. Wait, I need to erase this. Okay. So wait, guys. Okay, so major is this one. BAPC. Wait, guys. I think over here I feel like the question is not so clear. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Okay. So you just see over here lah. Simple. We see directly the answer. Okay. So basically, you can find out this one first. Okay. Just now, right? You got 25 over 2 pi. Am I right? So you need to find where is the 25. Kamu lihat ke mana 25. Okay. So just now you guys found this one cert 50. Am I right? And then cert 50 also over here. So guys, you can actually think of your triangle over here. Okay, can you see the triangle over here, guys? Yes or no? This triangle. This is a triangle. Cert 50, cert 50. So guys, you can find the area of the triangle. Correct? Kamu boleh cari luas segitiga. Okay, so the area of triangle is what? Half times base times height. So the answer is 25. And just now you guys found the area of semicircle, luas semi bulatan. This is the whole semicircle. So guys, if I take semicircle minus triangle, semi bulatan tolak segitiga, I will get the white parts over here in brown color. Can you guys see that? But now we don't want the white parts. Kita tak mau yang tu. So we have to take the major sector of the what? BAPC minus everything. Tolak semua. So that's why we actually get this step over here. Do you all understand, guys? Boleh dapat? This is the area of major sector from just now answer. And then you minus with semicircle minus triangle. Okay, yang ni semi bulatan, yang ni segitiga. Understand, guys? Yes or no? May I know? To do this question? Boleh? Then you guys just simplify lah until you can show the answer. Sampai boleh tunjukkan. Okay? Can, Alright. Even sometimes you guys don't understand the question, right? You can actually try to play around with some idea until you can get what the question want you to show. Because the question already give you this answer. So you try to think and see how to get that answer. If already minus semicircle, why should minus triangle? No, I didn't minus the semicircle. I'm taking semicircle minus triangle. Semicircle is this one, minus triangle. So it's that two white part over there. If I want to find the shaded region only, the major sector PABC actually included the white part. Okay, you see over here. Okay, this one is a bit confusing because of the language. Okay, let me show you. Don't worry, guys. I'm here for you. Saya ada untuk kamu semua. Don't worry. Okay, so this is the major sector. Can you see that it include the white part? Yes or no, guys? Dia masukkan bahagian putih. So that's why I'm actually taking the white semicircle, semi-bulatan, tolak segitiga, the black color triangle. So I get the white part. Then I take the total major sector minus the white part. So minus white part, then I already get the shaded lah. Do you understand, guys? Boleh faham tak? Can you see the concept? You must imagine a bit, guys. Your imagination skill. Come on. AdMath students' imagination skill must be good lah. Okay? Understand? All right. Okay, so next one. We see another state question. Okay, so for this one, okay, another showing question. The questions I choose are the hard ones. Saya tak pilih soalan-soalan senang. I choose all the hard ones. Okay, so now, this question, they ask you to show this one. Kamu kena buktikan. So guys, you have to see this statement over here. Okay, so they say Raihan's house and Tan's house are north and east, okay, of Siva's house. So Siva's house is the reference, rujukan. So now they say Raihan north, utara. Okay, so you put here, and then Tan east, okay, timur. So basically the concept is like this. Okay, it will form a triangle. Dia akan bentuk segitiga. So guys, I think just now, who was it? Someone asked me about the perpendicular locus. Is it Naveen? Yes, you need to use the gradient method. Correct. Guys, may I know what is the angle between north and east? Can you all tell me? Apa sudut antara utara dan timur? Cuba jawab. How much? Yes, this is all 90 degrees. Am I right? Means this is also 90 degrees. 90 darjah. So guys, when 90 darjah, what is the concept? Always in AdMaths, perpendicular, right? Serenjang. So your formula is M1, M2 equal -1. So basically, you guys just find the gradient among the three coordinates. Cari kecerunan. Raihan Siva and also Siva Tan. You times both gradient equal to -1. Okay, so this is the concept of the question. Okay, boleh faham, guys? Do you understand? Other than that, all of this is algebra. So make sure you expand correctly. Okay, don't do any careless mistake. Then you can show this. Kamu boleh buktikan. Okay, clear, guys? The rest, are you clear or shocked? Only two things lah, guys, when come to AdMaths. It's either you clear or you just stunned over there. Nothing to say. Just have to look at the screen. Look at my face. Look at the screen. Don't know what to do. Hopefully no one in that situation lah. Saya tak mau orang macam tu. I want everyone crystal clear. Okay? Can All right. So next one. Okay, so next one, let me see. Okay, this one is paper 2, I think, if not mistaken. Okay, this is an example of, paper 2. Okay, so paper 2, usually they will come out like this. Okay, kertas dua. Okay, so now they ask you, determine the pair of perpendicular lines just by using the vertices. Okay, this is interesting. Kamu kena tengok mana dua garis adalah serenjang. So can anyone tell me how to know which two lines are perpendicular? What must we find? They ask you proof with calculation. Kamu kena buktikan dengan pengiraan. So what is the calculation you show? Yes, you must find the gradient lah, guys. So how to know which two gradient line you must find? Macam mana tahu? Which line to choose over here? Okay, of course you're going to choose the ones that are adjacent lah. Kamu akan ambil yang bersebelahan. Okay, so this is one possibility. This is a second possibility. Got many possibility. Okay, and then what else? This is the third possibility. You can see the different colors. So guys, you have many pairs of lines. So which one do you choose? Okay, the only way you need to know is trial and error only. You need to trial and error. No other method. Okay, so I will direct to the point lah. So basically the two lines are going to be, wait, this one. Okay, these are going to be the two lines. Dua-dua garis ni. Okay, the answer. Wait. Sorry. These two lines. So guys, this is an important point in rhombus. Okay, guys, do you all know this? The diagonals of the rhombus, they will always intersect 90 degree at each other. Do you know this? Perpenjuru rhombus tu kalau dia bersilang, pasti persilangan tu 90 darjah. Faham ke tak? This is the point. Very important. When you see the word rhombus, remember this characteristic. Kena ingat ciri-ciri ni. 90 darjah. 90 degree. Okay? So basically, you guys just find lah the gradient only. Okay? Cari kecerunan saja. Okay? Then you just show that M1 times M2 is -1. Okay? You need to count the values. Okay? So this one you will get -1. And then this one you will get 1. So both of it you times, you get -1. So that's why they are perpendicular lah. Okay, mereka adalah berserenjang. So very simple. Okay, straightforward. Okay, next one. They ask you to find the area of rhombus ABCD. Guys, if I'm going too fast, anyone please tell me ya. Kalau saya terlalu pantas, bagi tahu saya. Okay, because when I teach, it will usually go faster and faster because that's the pace. Okay, so now they ask you to find the area of rhombus ABCD. Okay, so this one very simple. You guys just use the formula only. Guna rumus saja. Okay, for your modulus. Okay, so let me show the first step. Okay, so first step, you just start with any coordinate that you like. Okay, you can start with A. So you get -2, 1, 2, 2, 1, -2, -3, -3, -2, 1. This is your formula, guys. Ini rumus. Then you guys just use the shoelace method. Kaedah ikat tali kasut. So you will get something like this. And then final answer, 15. Okay? Are you clear, guys? If better, you guys write your unit. Put unit square beside your answer. Okay, it's better to give your answers with unit in ADMAT. All right? So just write unit square. All right? Okay, so next question. Soalan ketiga, I think. I think it's question, yeah. Question C. Okay, locus. Focus, guys. Okay, when come to locus, you must focus. I'm not rhyming, It's just like that. Locus, focus. Okay, so for this one, they ask you PA to PB equal to 1 to 2. Okay, so guys, locus must use what formula? May I know? Locus ni kena guna rumus apa? PA to PB equal 1 to 2. So what is the formula? Distance formula. Am I right? Kamu kena guna rumus jarak. Okay, so the P here is the moving point. Titik bergerak. Okay, so you will give the coordinate of P, X, Y, the symbol. Okay, so then just apply the formula only. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, and then you just form the equation lah. Okay, bentukan persamaan. And make sure your right hand side is 0. Okay, kanan kena kosong. Okay, understand, guys? This question, yes or no? I need more feedback. Understand or not? You guys getting quiet already lah. Always, right, guys? When go later to the night time, all of you will go quiet already. I don't know whether because sleepy or what. Maybe because you guys sleepy lah. Okay, understand, all right. Okay, so now they ask you to find the coordinate of the intersecting point of locus P and the x-axis. Okay, very important, guys. Why PA is 2? PA is 2. Okay, important, sorry. Wait. Come back to this question, guys. You must know how to convert your ratio, guys. When you have ratio, you must convert to fraction. Tukar nisbah ke pecahan. So can you see? 2PA equal to PB. That's why you have a 2 in front. Kamu ada 2. Understand? It doesn't mean PA is two parts. Jangan tersilap faham PA tu dua bahagian, PB satu bahagian. Salah. You must always refer back ratio. If you want to see PA how many part, PB how many part. Don't look over here to see the ratio. Jangan tengok persamaan. Okay, you must refer either to fraction or the ratio itself. Okay, understand? All right. So now they say intersection with x-axis. So what is the assumption, guys? May I know? Intersect with x-axis. Silang paksi x. So what is the equation you can get? Think and see. Intersect with x-axis. So what can you tell? Apa kamu boleh keluarkan? Anyone? Think and see. Yes, always remember, guys, intersect with x-axis mean let y equal to 0. Okay, y ni kena sama dengan kosong when they talk about x-axis. So basically, you guys just substitute y equal to 0 inside the equation over here. Just every y value you substitute with 0. Okay, setiap nilai y ganti dengan kosong. So you will realize you guys will form a quadratic equation. So you just need to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, selesaikan saja. So you guys just need to factorize normally. Okay, so factorize. So you will get this answer. Okay, ini dua jawapan. Understand? This question, guys, are you clear how to solve it? Yes or no? Until now? Okay, yeah. That's why I say, guys, must call name. Then only you guys active. Am I right? Bila saya panggil nama, baru kamu semua aktif. Kalau public, kamu semua akan tertidur dah. I know the effect one. This is the problem. Okay, so now, this question. Okay, this question is, let me see. Okay, we discussed this also lah. Good question. Marcus, the problem is, when I call name, right, sometimes people very scared, to answer. Anyone here like that? When I call people name, they scared to answer? Surely got some people, right? Dia akan takut kalau nama dipanggil. Call Marcus only. This one is called favoritism, bias. Sir pun selalu wrong. Marcus can expose me like that. Okay lah, I accept also lah. I'm also human. Am I right? Guys, I also human. I make mistake also. Yes. The most important thing is learn from mistake, correct? Yeah. True also. You're correct. Okay, so now, this question, they ask you to find the smallest value of m and n. Kamu kena cari nilai terkecil. So anyone, can you tell me what is the answer? They say distance m to q is the same as distance point R. So whenever you see the word same, guys, what is the value of m to n? Sama, nisbah. So anyone? Come on. What's the answer? This one state only. State means there is no working. Tada jalan kira. So you guys can count directly at it. So anyone? Try and see. Don't worry. What is your m and n value? Come on. They say same, guys. Mereka cakap sama jarak. So kalau sama jarak, apa nisbah dia? What is the ratio? Because m and n is the ratio. Can you see? Qm to mr, m to n. And then they say mq, same distance as point R. Means mq equal to mr. Yes lah, correct. Okay, maksudnya m equal to 1, n equal to 1. That's all. Okay, because same ratio, sama nisbah. Okay, so your answer is just m equal to 1, n equal to 1. Okay, and then this question, they ask you to express h in terms of k. All right, so this one basically, since they say h in terms of k means definitely you want to focus on this equation lah. Okay, kamu nak rujuk persamaan ni. All right, so okay, so they say point M, it lies on this line. Okay, dia ada pada garis ni. So this is the concept now. So guys, just now you guys tell me, right? The ratio is 1 to 1. So guys, what is the formula here? May I know? This is the midpoint formula. Okay, titik tengah. So you guys just need to construct the midpoint formula. So it's something like this, equal to 2k plus 7k over 2, comma 4k plus k over 2. That's all. Okay, then you just need to express h in term of k. Ungkapkan h dalam sebutan k. So you will get, okay, wait. Okay, over here you guys must smart. Kamu kena bijak sikit. So guys, will you choose this one to express h in term of k? Yes or no? Adakah kamu akan pilih yang ni? Okay, very good. Okay, because you don't see any h, so you definitely cannot choose that one. So you need to choose this one. Kamu kena pilih yang ni, so that you can express h in term of k. Do you understand? So you must choose carefully. So your working will get something like this. Okay, clear, right? Senang kan? I think very straightforward lah. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for this one, they tell you the area of quadrilateral is 105. 105. Okay, so basically you guys use the formula again lah. Okay, just guna formula. So your formula will be half 2k, 4k, and then 7k, k, and then 4k, L minus 2, 0 to 2k, 4k equal to 105. So this is your concept. Okay, but now guys, do we know the k value? Yes or no? Adakah kita tahu nilai k? Actually we know. Yes. Okay, because just now over here, remember the x coordinate x, we never find yet. We can actually find the k value from there. Okay, so you just solve, you will get k equal to 2. Okay, k sama dengan 2. Okay, you just basically use the midpoint. So 9k over 2 equal to 9. So k equal to 2. So you just substitute k equal to 2 inside all the value here lah. Gantikan saja. Okay, and then basically you just need to solve for L. That's all. Okay, selesaikan untuk L. Alright. Yeah. So basically you will have two answers for L. Dua nilai L. So guys, you have to refer the diagram to decide what is your L value. So if you refer here, L is 25, L is -5. Sorry sir, the answer will send. Guys, for those that want the PDF, you guys can PM my number one. I can share to you. Okay, later you just stay for how many more? 15 minutes, 15 minit lagi. Then I will share my number for those who want lah the PDF. Okay, can? If you guys really want the PDF lah. Okay, all right. So now, where was I? How come I scroll on top? Okay, so guys, you predict now and tell me, is L value 25 or -5? What do you think? Based on the diagram over here, 25 or -5? Tell me, L value. Think and see. Yes. Okay, the answer is -5 because the y coordinate is negative. Kena dapat nilai negative. So if L is 25, you guys gonna get a positive value, which is wrong. Okay, because this is the negative region. Okay, kawasan negative. All right. So that's all lah for this question. Understand? Everyone here? Are you clear? Yes or no? Okay. If got question, make sure you guys ask. Don't be silent over there. I don't like people who silent one. I like people who ask question. Okay, kena tanya soalan. Okay, don't silent. All right. So now, another question, another type. The more you guys practice, right, the more you will find the chapter is easier. So this is around the 6th question today. So you must do a lot of question. All right. So this one, yes, I like to use that saying, right? Practice make perfect. Okay. So now they ask you to find the 3 towns that can be linked by a straight road. Kamu kena cari 3 kawasan yang boleh dihubungkan dengan garis lurus ataupun jalan lurus. So guys, what is your answer? You tell me. I think it's very obvious. You can see it. So what are the 3 points? You can form a straight road. Very good. Guys, can you see here? Yes. Okay, PQS lah. So guys, why is it straight? what is the point that tell you it is straight? What is the reason? Apa sebab dia that you say it's a straight road? What is the key point that you need to find over here? Anyone? Think and see. What is the thing you need to find? Kena cari apa? Kalau garis lurus, straight line. Yes, very good. You just need to find the gradient of these 2 points. Cari MPQ and also cari MQS. So if it's same, kalau nilai sama, then yes lah, it is a straight line, garis lurus. So you can form a straight road. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this question. Okay, so you can use many methods. You can use gradient, you can use area. Okay guys, why they say area? Kenapa cakap luas? Okay guys, may I know, is straight line, what is the area? Can you tell me? Kalau garis lurus, apa nilai luas? Common sense, straight line, what is your area? Area, what is the value of your area? Is straight line. Yes, means basically you guys just need to use the 3 coordinate and show that the area equal to 0. Guna 3 coordinate ni, okay, use your half modulus formula. So you just substitute all the coordinates one by one. Okay, and then if your answer gets 0, means that yes, it is a straight line. Boleh faham tak guys concept ni? Do you understand this? So basically you must just prove that it equal to 0. So confirm if equal to 0, it is a straight line lah, garis lurus. Understand? Or you can use MPQ equal to MQS. You choose one method. Pilih satu saja. That's all. Okay? Alright. So now they ask you to write the equation that connect the 3 town. Guys, this one I think modern math student also can do. Am I right? You guys can write, right, the equation for this line. So easy lah guys. First step, find gradient, cari kecerunan. Second step, just substitute 1 point. So you use y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. So y minus, let's say I choose q. So y minus 6 equal to the gradient. So gradient, if you press calculator, you will get, I think, let me see. Yeah, you will get 3 over 2, 4 minus 3 over 2. Sorry, this one is x. 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2, 4. Okay, then you guys just solve the equation lah. Selesaikan saja. Okay, then you will get the answer. All right. Okay, so for question C, they say there is another straight road which is perpendicular to the road in 2B. Interesting guys. So may I know, what is the road perpendicular to this PQS? Mana yang serenjang? Can anyone tell me? Another 2 towns, dua lagi bandar. Can you all try and see? What is the road? Are you? No, bukan. Try and see again. Yes. Okay, the answer is PR. Okay, how to know guys? If it's perpendicular, use the gradient concept lah. Okay, guna konsep kecerunan saja. So you just need to prove MPQS times MPR equal to -1. That's all. If you can prove this, means correct lah. They are perpendicular. Serenjang. Easy or not guys? This chapter. Can you see that it's coming easier and easier? Lebih senang kan? The question is very standard one. They just modify the situation only. Like they give you a situation, an engineer want to build a road, but the concept is still the same. Parallel line, perpendicular line. They just change the way they ask you the question. So don't get scared when the question give you a situation. Jangan takut. Just stick back to your concept and basic. Okay? So you guys just need to show this lah. Just show that you get a gradient that is perpendicular to 3 over 2. Okay, so you will get -1. So you can also write this step. Boleh tulis yang ni juga. No problem. Okay? Alright. So now, one more question lah. Then we end. Okay, satu lagi soalan. I try to find a nice question lah for you guys. Since you guys look like so good today. So committed a bit. Let me see which one I want. Try to find a hard one. Okay lah, we discuss this one. Can guys? Last question soalan terakhir. So make sure you semangat a bit. Okay, so we discuss this one. Okay, so for this question, they are talking about stalls, warung. So you need to actually, this is also daily life. Okay, so they tell you OABC, parallelogram. So you guys must draw lah. OABC. So make sure you guys draw to imagine the situation. Okay, sorry for my drawing. My drawing is not so good, but hopefully you imagine. Kamu boleh faham. Okay, OABC. Okay, so now they ask you to state the position of stall B and stall C. Okay, so anyone, can you tell me stall B, what is the position? Very simple lah guys. Okay, B, what's the answer? Apa jawapan dia? Come on, stall B. They say it's a parallelogram. So that is the keyword over here. So anyone? Coordinates please for stall B. Can anyone tell the answer? Maybe I rub the diagram so that is clearer a bit. X equal negative 35. Nope. Guys, stall B is over here, you know. It's so far away. How can be negative 35? It don't make sense. Guys, when you give answer, make sure got sense in your answer. No, not negative 35. Guys, C itself, the answer is negative 75 for X coordinate. So means that for B must be a larger value, lebih besar. Means like negative 100, example, because it's more to the left. Yes, the answer is negative 110. Okay, guys, you must understand, this distance here is 35 also. Very good. Okay, that's why 75 plus 35 is negative 110. This one. Why? Because they say it's a parallelogram. Parallelogram mean that the lengths are the same. Okay, panjang sama. That's the concept over here. Okay, so that's why 35 also over that side. Okay, all right. So now, what is your y coordinate? Can anyone tell me? Coordinate y. What's the answer? So anyone? Yes. Okay, y coordinate will be 60. You understand? 45 plus 15. Correct. Okay, because over here is 15 and then, sorry, until here is 45. So the extra here is actually 15. Okay, because it's a parallelogram. So that's why you can assume like that. Okay, all right. So now, stall C. Can anyone tell what is the coordinate? Stall C very simple lah. So can anyone direct? Give me the two answer. Stall C. You can refer already. When they ask coordinate, guys, make sure you give your answer like this. Coordinate can only give answer like this. Macam ni saja boleh. 45 is y coordinate, up and down, atas bawah. How can suddenly come x coordinate? See the diagram carefully. 75 is for this one, 75. Bukan? Guys, now I talking stall C. You guys already getting very sleepy already lah, I know. Yes, the answer is negative 75, 15. Correct. Okay, simple question guys. Soalan senang. 75 to the left, 15 up. So negative 75, 15 lah. Okay, so this is your answer. Ini jawapan. Okay, so continue second last. Okay, so now question B. Okay, question B interesting. They ask you to find the shortest distance, jarak terpendek, of the intersection of Jalan Mawar, Jalan Ros, O, and stall A. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, a lot of information. So don't worry, you analyze slowly. Okay, so they're talking about OA and also Jalan Mawar and Jalan Ros. Okay, so can anyone tell? Actually, I did help you. So what is the shortest distance, guys? So this is the shortest distance lah. Am I right? Itu adalah jarak yang terpendek. So basically, how to find this length? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so your answer is negative 35 square plus 45 square, square root answer. Do you understand? Boleh faham? Okay, because the values here are like that already. So that's all. That is the shortest distance. Jarak terpendek. Always remember, guys, when they ask shortest distance, usually they are talking about height in admaths, ketinggian. But shortest distance can also mean, example like this. Anyone take physics here? Can you comment? Who is the physics student here? Siapa ambil physics? Comment. Me. Type me. Because I have to use physics concept to explain. Then only you understand. Sasaran. Yes. Basically, the concept is displacement. That's all. Okay, so this is the shortest. So there is two pathway. The first pathway is you go up and go right. But this one is longer. This pathway is longer. This pathway is shorter. So this is the concept I'm using to answer this question over here. Same thing. All right. Okay. So last question. So this one is about not locus. Okay. So this one is stall A is 2 times its distance from stall C. Okay. So basically the equation is dA equal to 2dC. Okay. So you can find the ratio. Okay. So you will get 2 to 1 dA to dC. Okay, so dA dC, let me see. Okay, so basically it's a straight line lah, garis lurus. Okay, so CA and then maybe the D is somewhere, let me check and see. Did they tell? dA 2 times distance from DC. dA, okay, means somewhere here lah. Okay, common sense. So dA, the ratio is 2 and then DC, the ratio is 1. So this is 2, this is 1. So means that this one also 1. Am I right? So guys, this one, wait, guys. Did I misinterpret? Stall D is open such that its distance from stall A is 2 times its distance from stall C. Wait, guys. 2 times. Wait for a while, guys. Let me just see whether I get anything wrong. Okay, I think it's like this. C to A is 1, A to D is 2. C to A is 1, A to D is 2. Wait, let me try to imagine and see. Let's say I put D here. 2, 1. Okay, so they say distance DA. Yes. Hey, wait. But how come CA is 1? DC is 1. Stall D is open such that its distance from stall A is 2 times. Unless they are meaning this one is AC lah. Maybe this one is AC. From stall A is 2 times its distance. But so weird. The language is so weird because they say its distance. So its distance refer to stall D, right? Warung D. But then it don't make sense at all. The question. If like what Kai say, then it make more sense lah. This one is supposed to be AC. Then it makes sense. The question. Because the schema also follow this method. So I think they are referring to stall A lah. Okay, language problem. The question. Soalnya ada bahasa problem. Never mind lah. Just imagine like this. Okay, guys. Just try to imagine like this. Okay. So they ask you what is the question? Find the position of stall D. Okay. So basically, you can use the divisor of line segment. Okay. But I think over here, right? I think I know already. D should actually be somewhere in the middle. Now it makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that's the problem. Sometimes this question, the English is like so bad. Okay, so DA take 2. Okay, so this one is 2. And then this one is 1. Yeah, now makes sense. So this one is D, guys. Sorry. Just now my assumption correct. Correct already. This one's supposed to be DC. Now it's correct. D2 kat tengah-tengah. In the middle. Now it's correct. Okay, so basically you need to find this one. Okay, so this coordinate is negative 35, 45. And then this one is negative 75, 15. Okay, so just apply the distance formula. Guna rumus jarak. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, make sure you guys show the substitution process. Okay, so you will get this formula over here. So final answer, this one. Okay, guys, are you clear? Yes or no? Boleh dapat, guys? Okay, so yeah, basically we done already lah with today's lesson. Okay, do you understand today's lesson?